Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video we are going to do an unboxing of MI 360-degree home security camera. Actually this is a 2K camera guys. Let's come on, now it's time to do an unboxing. Actually I purchased this product from amazon.in at the price of rupees 2300 rupees. Actually it's exactly the price is 2299 rupees, just 1 rupees less from 300. Yeah, but actual price is around 2800 it seems. I have purchased this product in Great Republic Day sale in Amazon, so just I got some discounts in this product. Okay guys, let's come on. Just now it's time to take this cover. You can see guys, here's the MI 360-degree home security camera. It's a 2K. Actually the camera lens resolution is a 3 MP, actually I can see, and 2-way audio support is there. 360-degree panorama view is also there, and infrared night vision supports, and plus and it has a 1.6 aperture were equipped in this camera. And here you can see it works with Alexa and Google Home also guys. Okay guys, let's come on. Now it's time to do the unboxing. Yeah, just I need to remove this first. Okay, let's see what they have given inside this box. Just open it up and take it out. What is this box? Let's see. Okay, here you can see here is the one power adapter they're providing, and everything is okay. This is this for wall mount installation. You can see. Okay, let's put this aside, and here's the cable. It said not a type C, it's a normal cable only. And here's the user manual guys. They are given. It's 2 length actually. You can see this are the user manual, and here you can see this is the main point guys. Actually the SD card will support up to 256 GB guys. You can see it supports. Okay guys, that's it. That's okay guys, just keep this aside. That's all, nothing inside this box. Now it's time to take the camera out of this box. You can see guys, here's the camera, home security camera, 2K resolution camera actually. We need to remove this cover. Okay, time to take out. You can see guys, and actually guys, this camera looks very good and it's very shiny here, you can see, and it's very smooth also, this outer surface and all. Actually this camera looks somewhat bit different while comparing to MI 2A camera, home security camera. Actually that 2A camera is 1080p, this is 2K camera actually, somewhat look a bit different. Actually it looks good guys, it's very smooth. And guys, and here you can see, here we need to insert a SD card, and you can see here's the reset button is here, and here's the port for connecting the power cable from power adapter, and here's the branding Xiaomi. And okay guys, regarding the video, that's all, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're having any doubts or questions, just ask in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in next video guys. Bye.